Welcome to training session, where it shows first a specific coordinate. Type a coordinate value the first point by typing x value, comma, y value. For example, 3, press enter. Type x value, comma, y value. For example, 6, 4. Press enter. Second, choose a specific length angle. Type coordinate value the first point by typing x value, comma, y value. For example, 2, 3. Press enter. Interact the number and the length, followed by the left angle bracket and the angle. For example, add some 5 less than 30. Press enter. Thanks for watching.